Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is my first autumn full makeup look for this year, and I just thought I would start off by using a lot of new products that I haven't actually used before. I feel like there's been so many launches and really exciting launches, and I wanted to kind of share them with you, show you how they work, and just create something really like warm, burgundy kind of tones, and let's get into the mood of autumn. If you want to know how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching, but make sure you are subscribed before I let you go, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, woo! Don't forget to hit the like button. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, that was disgusting. And yeah, enjoy the video. So guys, I'm starting off with my all-nighter primer, but this is the all-nighter Ultra Glow Base Primer. So yeah, they've got a new version. Where's my other one? I love the original all-nighter primer, but they've come up with this more glowy one, and it's meant to give you more like glass skin vibes rather than glittery iridescent, you know? Can you see how it's like this see-through gel consistency? And I absolutely love this. It's super hydrating on the skin and feels so lightweight, and it gives you glowy skin in like the nicest, most natural way. And then, I mean, you know the drill, Kevyn Aucoin. Oh my god, there was a comment recently on one of my videos, and it was something like it was weird that Anchal didn't use Kevyn Aucoin. I don't know, I'm making it sound so dry and basic, but anyway, it was just so funny how I didn't use Kevyn Aucoin in this one video, and someone noticed, and it was funny, and now I'm telling the story really badly. Why has Kevyn Aucoin not paid me yet? Like, why have they not had me? Like, why are they not sponsoring me for the amount I have used this product? It's actually, oh my god, like, I've just thought of this. Mind blown. Okay, foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Shiseido Syncro Skin, which I love so much. But I'm also gonna go in with a little bit of Urban Decay Stay Naked, which I'm also like just obsessed with, absolutely love. And this is a bit more matte, and this is more radiant, but not like in the most extreme way. So I think these two would give a really nice balance. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just pat and blend this all out. And I always get asked what foundation brush this is, and it's the IT Cosmetics Complexion Perfection brush, and I love it so much. So I'm just gonna stipple and pat this all out and take whatever's left on my brush just on my forehead, so I don't want a lot of foundation sitting on my forehead. And make sure you get in between the brows. That has given me the most flawless base, and it is, I would say, pretty medium to full coverage right now. I did go in with quite a lot, and normally I don't know, I wouldn't pump like that much foundation out on my face, but I did. And then I'm gonna go into my Live Tinted Grounded Huestick, and I'm just going to cream contour with this and pop this all around my face where I usually place it. So I wanna make sure I give myself some structure and dimension to my face. And then I just like to gently blend that all out in circular motions, and I always like to kind of flick up as well. And you want to make sure you don't blend this cream contour beneath the line you've drawn. It always needs to be in that area and above. See? Then you get that nice chiseled cheekbone. And when I'm doing my forehead and temples, I'm making sure I brush back into my hairline. And then I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I am well aware my nose contour looks mad, but we'll get there. It's all a process. So I'm gonna take Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like I haven't used this in ages. Well, not on camera anyway, but it's always a winner, a goodie, and a classic. So yeah, let's just go in with this in all of the places that we like to highlight. So underneath the eyes, our forehead, down the nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. And then I'm just gonna give it a moment to sit on my skin, just so that the concealer's not super wet when we blend it out, because then we're just gonna end up picking most of it up on our brush or beauty blender. I'm just letting it marinate, cook a little bit, and then I'll start blending out around areas on my face. And then when I'm blending out my concealer under my eyes, I'll always take it up the sides of my nose to kind of neaten out that cream contour. And I always keep my foundation brush to hand with no extra product on it, just to kind of blend everything together. And I'm just patting out the concealer until it looks nice and flawless. Next up, I'm going in with my Chanel powder, and I'm gonna use a technique that I learned from Laura Mercier, which you do with their powder. So you take the puff that the powder comes with, and then you dip it in the powder, and then you create like a little taco and kind of rub the powder into the puff. Make sure you've got no creases, and then flip it back into an outside taco and basically pat away. I don't know, maybe this technique is not for the Chanel powder. No, these puffs are nice. You get a super flawless finish with using the puff. Like normally, you know, when I get these types of things, I kind of just throw them away, but they're nice. And then I'm also just going to use the edge to kind of run down the sides of my nose, and I'm just going to roll in all the other areas. I mean, it's not bad. I, of course, am going to go in with my medium dark Mineralize skin finish from MAC, because I just can't live without this stuff. And I'm just going to set the rest of my makeup with this. And then with my brush, I'm just going to dust away any of that excess powder, because I really don't want it sitting on my skin for a long time. And what I also really don't want is zombie lips. Honestly, guys, I've been staring at my bronzers for the last 10 minutes. Like, are you really going to pick up MAC Give Me Sun again? But I am. I really am. So, sorry. Guys, do you get sick of just me using the same products? I mean, I've got quite a few new ones today. Just wait for it. Honestly, just wait for it. I actually have a new blush. I have a new highlight. I have all the eye products are new. Most of, the majority. Just wait for it, guys, honestly. I'm actually just going to stick to my old crusty bronzer, because I'm about to bring you, oh my God, the lips that I'm going to bring you today. I'm about to bring you a whole lot of newness. Right, so I'm just taking MAC Give Me Sun over where I cream contour, just to warm up my complexion now that we've powdered it, just so that we add some color back into the skin. It's not looking so flat, and we may be coming into autumn or fall, whatever you want to call it. Sis is bringing the sunshine and the warm skin all the way through. That is one thing that I'm not letting go of ever. Like, literally, I don't care what time of year it is, bronzer is happening. Like, you will never see me do a look being like, okay guys, it's winter, so let's do less bronzer. No. It's winter, so we need some color. Okay guys, so I said I'm bringing some newness, and here we are. We have this new highlighter from Smashbox, and this is called the Halo highlighter, and there's 2-in-1. It's giving me Fenty vibes, I can't lie. And the lighter shade, honestly, just look at that. Like, that's the lighter shade in the palette. Let me show you the warmer one. The warmer one is like, you really have to give it some, I don't know if it's definitely a powder. It's definitely like a more subtle one. And then you've got like, hello, wham bam, I'm here. So I am gonna mix the two of them. Oh, maybe it goes on better with a brush. I don't know if that's a cream or a powder, but it's moving mad. Anyway, I'm gonna mix the two just because the lighter one is very light and bright, and I just don't want to put it on my skin and then for it to look grey. So it's best for me to mix it with a little bit of the warmer one, which is subtle, but I'll get the warm like shade through. And then I'm gonna pop it just on the top of my cheekbone. And I kind of just like to place it right here in this little blob. And then with a fluffier blending brush, like highlight brush, that's when I'll go and blend that out. You know what? I actually got a fan brush from, oh, this is Morphe. I thought it was Smashbox. I've not used a fan brush in so long. Oh God, yeah. Oh, that explains it, not a fan. Stick to what we know, people. Do you know what? When this highlighter goes on, it doesn't go on very, like, full on. Like, when you swatch it, that's like insane. But when you go in with a brush, it's not giving me the same energy. Like this is with a brush. This is literally just with the lighter shade. It's like chalky. Reaches for Fenty to come and save the day. I'm actually really disappointed because I was so excited by this highlighter and it just was swatching beautifully, but maybe that highlighter's not it. Here we go. Like it should just be like smooth. You shouldn't see the highlighter like sitting on your skin in terms of in the lines. Like you shouldn't see the lines. It should just be smooth and buttery. And no, it's not me. It's not my aging self. It's the highlighter because Fenty's showing me that it's not me. It's not me, it's you. And then I'm just gonna take some around the rest of my face. Fenty, of course. And then just some down my nose. And I always do this with a pencil brush. Okay, next new product we're gonna try out, which I've got high hopes for, is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush, which is this one right here. It's called Sublime Flush and it's beautiful. So fingers crossed, let's give this a go. It's very pink. And you know me, I'm more of a peach gal. So I feel like it's like nice, but not for today. Why is this all going wrong? Okay. Going in with something else real quick. I'm using Patrick Tar blush in She's Sincere to just, you know, save the day. Okay, so I've just prepped my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in preparation for eyeshadow. And I'm bringing you a new eyeshadow palette. This is by Nars and it's called the Extreme Effects eyeshadow palette. So Nars have actually reformulated some of their eyeshadows, or they've got new formulas. They're new formulas. So I'm super excited to give this a go and try this out. And also this palette just screams like autumn, fall, winter, like that kind of vibe, because you've got all of those warm shades but loads of like fun glittery shades. It's like a party palette but also really, really wearable for daytime. So let's get this on. I'm actually gonna start with this really nice burgundy tone right here. Okay, there's quite a lot of powder when I like tap off the excess, but I always find that when you get eyeshadows like that, like Anastasia Beverly Hills, they're usually the most pigmented. So fingers crossed. I'm gonna start off by popping this right in the center of my eye, right in the crease, and wow, pigment, hello. Oh my God. And I'm just gonna take it back and forth. Whoa. I honestly think that this is the best formula that Nars have ever done. That is insane. So I'm just gonna get it on all the way across and right into the crease. I'm just gonna build up that depth. And then once I've built up the color, I'm just gonna take that same shade basically across most of the eye. Honestly, I could literally just do this shade, blend it out, and be good to go because it's so nice. It's like the most perfect burgundy shade ever. And then once that's done and kind of like mapped out and on, we're going to go in to this pale pink shade right here. And I'm just gonna use that to go right over the edge of the last color. And oh my God, these are literally so pigmented. So I'm gonna get that on and wow, it's looking like a happy rainbow right now. And then just with a clean blending brush, kind of just gonna merge them together and just go back into the pink. And you basically want to take it right over the edge. I think it's better if you just blend it in small circular motions because they're so pigmented that it's gonna go on. Whereas I don't want it to go on, I want it to diffuse on. I always have one eye that's like the practice and the other eye is the one that goes really well. And then I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here. And I'm just gonna take my finger and just apply this right over the top. I love using my fingers to apply like the bulk of the product because it just goes on so nice. So I'll just do the same again on the other eye and just press on that lovely pinky shade. So then guys, I'm gonna go in with some liner. I'm taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex liner and I'm basically just gonna create a nice wing across my lash line. I'm basically gonna start off in the center, create the wing, and then make sure everything is joined up. So wing liner is on and I wanna take that same burgundy shade right underneath my eyes. And I'm taking like a small brush, like a small dense brush to kind of pat the shade on And then I'll go in with the blending brush to kind of soften it out so it's not like a harsh line. Next, I'm going to take Nars's new mascara. This is Climax Extreme. And as you know, I really like the Nars Climax mascara, but this Extreme one is also very good. So I'm just going to pop a couple of coats of this onto my top and bottom lashes. Climax is great for daytime and it's buildable, but this is like full on straight away. That's a really great mascara. Like, it is pretty full on. And another thing is that the wand is literally coated in so much mascara that you don't need to go back in and keep dipping into it. So you're good to go. So I'm just gonna go in with this Nars Longwear pencil in the shade Mambo, right in my waterline, right before I go in with some mascara on my lower lash line. Just kind of deepen this look up, and it's almost like a burgundy brown. A really great alternative to wearing black. For lashes, guys, I'm gonna go in with these Eyelure and Ling Katy collaboration lashes. I just think they are so beautiful. They're so fluffy and fluttery. These are called Pretty Princess. I also don't think that these lashes need trimming, which is amazing because then you can just pop them straight on. They feel so like light. And then finally for the lips, I'm gonna go in with MAC Cork because it's just such a staple and a winner every single time. And I'm just gonna line my entire lips with this. And then I've got this really cool new product. It's from Shiseido and it's a lip liner ink duo. And I think on this side, it's a clear lip liner, I think. And then this side is the lipstick. And this is in the shade Bear, by the way. I think it's called, oh, Beige. Or is this the lip liner? I don't know. Okay, no, this isn't going. No. We're gonna use this from KKW. He's a mixer. Guys, I'm not quite ready to do burgundy lips. We're gonna have to get deep into autumn for that. And then guys, Fenty have come out with their holiday range glosses and oh my God, I literally am obsessed. I just need to get this one right here on. Oh my God, first of all, they're minis and so cute. They need a full size one of this. This is Baby Brut. This is just the nicest nude ever. And I'm just gonna get this on all over. You might actually see me do more matte lips this autumn because, I don't know, recently I'm just really liking matte lips too. But right now I'm just not ready for it. So we're still sticking to gloss and oh my God, I love this gloss. Okay guys, so here we have the finished look. I have filmed this tutorial for my hair over on my IG, so head over to there if you want to know how I got this hairstyle. I really hope you enjoyed my first fall autumn makeup look for this year. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and comment down below and let me know what you thought of some of the new products that I shared with you today. I'm literally living for this gloss. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.